My wall oven keeps beeping. I have turned everything off, but it still beeps every so often, no specific time intervals. The time flashes after I fiddle with controls and then disappears. But beeping continues at random times.
Hello, welcome, and thanks for your question. Do you have the model #XXXXX the range?
Model #XXXXX.
Press and hold cancel for 6 seconds, let me know if any fault code comes up.
There is no cancel button on my wall oven, only off on touchscreen.
I meant to say off, cancel was out of habit.
Thank you. I held down off display for upper and lower ovens and each beeped twice, but then nothing.
So if the beeping continues, this is an issue with the control.
Yes, I figured that, but was wondering if it needed to be reset or something. Most importantly, I'm concerned if this is a safety issue. Of course, I won't use oven until it is resolved.
Not normally a safety issue, just if you end up needing the control, the repair can get expensive. If you have any other questions, just let me know at any time. This is how they rate our service to you. Thank you.
So is that it? Let me get this straight, the problem probably is not a safety issue, but I need to get a repair person.
Well, the control seems to be messing up, only get a repair person if you are willing to replace the control. If not really worried about it, you can continue to use it.
Well, I probably will have to get a repairman recommended by Whirlpool to put my mind at ease. They have already set up an appointment for me, but I thought I could do something with the situation before then. Thank you.
I understand, thank you for using this service. Maybe next time we can resolve your issue online.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.